Sounds good.
Yo, well, it's like, it's like this. Yo.
We got a GMC Yukon in here. What we're gonna do is take out his old stuff. He's got a really old Alpine flip out unit. And the problem with those older units are there's so many components with them. Basically, we gutted the whole thing, cleaned up the old install, and started new with Pioneer AVH 4400. Is that what it is?
Those who ain't got it commit felony, see, we all benefit. Yeah, well, it's elementary. I need more. I'm not comfortable the way I'm living. Ask me for shit, handouts I'm not giving, but I bust my ass to get where I'm at. Got on my 2 feet and refuse to lay flat. Who relate to what I'm saying? Nails kicked off the back, and those who oppose walking shoes with.
On the Yukon, started with removing the IVA 310 out of their old school Alpine flip out with a hideaway box.
Lit on my dish, my money I choke, I'm kinda vexed. My feelings I keep
hidden away really nice.
So I had to make all the speaker leads and the video leads for the rear screens go up to the head unit to put the 4400 in.
It's short with your talking, and you lose your stripes. Take away your bragging rights.
To do a relay bypass.
The dash mod looked really cool. Went with a more rounded style versus just notching where the radio actually protrudes out.
Wait, you're making money now. That's why your hands start itching. Or could it be spots of gold and the rainbow, man? Futuristic, y'all make a shout more for luxury. You got to live comfortably and get plenty. Yo, for long longevity. Those who ain't got it commit felony, see, we all benefit. Yeah, well, it's elementary. Life for luxury. We got to live comfortably and get plenty. Yo, for long.
There's a couple budget double-din mods we do for those cars, and one of them you've seen on one of the episodes is where we just notch a square hole and fill in the sides with some ABS. On this one, I filed the corners all the way in. It's one I like to do.
Lights are positive in the front, right? And darks are positive in the rear in Chevy. And this is the one that always gets everyone, because what's lighter, tan or gray? Well, I always thought it was gray, because it's lighter than this tan. But it's actually tan, which it's positive to have a tan, because people want a tan. My tan, get my tan.
Go get the single when the album when we drop it. More life for luxury. We got to live comfortably and get plenty. Yo, for long longevity. Those who ain't got it commit felony. See, we all benefit. Yeah, it's elementary. Life for luxury. We got to live comfortably and get plenty. Yo, for long longevity.
The Pioneer AVH 4400 has Bluetooth, AM/FM, DVD, iPod control, everything, you know, all the features you need now. Cody and Ross are there, buddy. Give up. I used the, give up. So we're gonna do this other shot. Now I got your arm. Oh. He punched my chin. Wow. How do I quit? I've been wanting to try this idea using an Apple Smart cover to mount an iPad in the dash.
Can you open it already?
I'm trying.
It's a smart cover.
You gotta be smart to open it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry, guys. I taped up the iPad, waxed it up, laid out a pan with the magnet in it. So I grinded the aluminum I cut the magnet off of the smart cover, grinded the aluminum and fiberglassed it into a pan.
You gotta fiddle with it. You gotta fiddle with it.
And then I just cut a hole out of a dash kit and mounted the pan in there and bodyworked it.
If you wanna be the best, you got to move and motivate.
Dude, that is good.
Yeah, that's cool.
If you wanna be the best, you got to move and motivate.
The idea is to have a setup where you can just get in your car, click your iPad on your dash, and you're ready to go. You don't have to worry about plugging it in, docking it, or anything like that.
Now if you wanna be the best, you got to move and motivate.
Whoa! We're going with it. We're going with her. What's going on?
When you do the magneto mount, you don't hook up any wires. It's all through Bluetooth, so you don't have to you don't have to worry about heat shrinking any of the tubes or anything. I mean the wires.
Was it really? Let's see if we can change the slideshow.
We're testing it with iOS 6, so we're checking out how Siri is going to work in the car and how the new Apple Maps app is going to work out. So far, it's really cool. We'll do an update video just on that install later. Works out great. We did a little road test and to see if the iPad would fly off or not. It didn't.
If you wanna be the best, you got to move and motivate.
Ooh. Why is that? I had a cleaning lady fall down the stairs before.
Your screen doesn't work.
Look at that. Cody, look at that. You can take naps under there.
Oh wow, look at my room.
Do we need that?
A buddy of mine came in from my days back racing motocross. He had a Volkswagen R32. We're putting in a Pioneer App Radio 2. Rafa's going to be doing the install.
So we're in here running a respectable business, and I'm in watching people dig dash kits out of the trash cans for cars.
That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Trash digging.
So Doug was throwing a fit about pulling a dash kit out of the trash can, but the cleaning ladies were here, and it was like they just like set it in there.
This is what you call a debauchery.
Bro, don't. That's not allowed to go on Amplified.
Bro, get my chips. Get my chips.
Next thing you know, you're gonna be popping amps out of there.
Get my chips from the trash, please.
drive Volkswagen in Mexico. A bug. I use the new pack adapter. I want to tell you what it's called, but I don't know. It retains your serial controls. Gives you a bus, data bus for ignition. You just have to wire a relay. You have to make a blah blah. You have to wire a relay for the ignition because it's only 1 amp output. It's probably not enough to trigger a 1 amp's not enough to trigger a radio, so you make a relay. This gives it more amps.
What does that smell like?
Dude, what's behind this?
Once I finished the harness for the Volkswagen, it all looked nice. I even heat shrunk the tubes again. For everybody that does your installs at home, if you want it to look nice, just heat shrink them. The tubes, I mean.
Is there a piece over there? You dirty little whore. Where can I put that antenna?
Cool. Side down, brother.